Good morning, Tanaki crowd.
Good morning.
What are you up to today?
I'm gonna
You gonna cook lunch for Mama and Daddy? What are you
And me.
making? Yeah, what are you making? Look at the camera, Ma. What are you making?
I don't know.
You don't know. Huh? Isn't it ayam goreng sayur? Tell me again, what are you making today? Ayam? Goreng?
Goreng
Apa? Ayam goreng?
syrup.
Sayur. not not surup, sayur. Ayam goreng sayur. It's ready.
Yeah.
Scooping them into the other to the bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Okay, so what's the next step, Tanaki?
Onion.
Okay.
Onion.
Dip them in. Gentle. Gentle. All of it, please.
Because there's a mixing of the oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, don't look at the oil. Don't look at the oil. Excuse me, chef. You have to go back to the job.
No, the chef.
Yes, you will be. Well done. Now, stir it up. Remember, left hand.
Oh yeah. Hand, right hand.
You need more energy than that, please. Good job. What's the next one?
Carrot.
Okay, in they go. Well done. Now stir it up.
One more carrot.
One more. Stir it up.
There. Stir it up. You do that part while I hold the left.
Okay, thank you. The last bit is?
Tomato.
Okay, dip them in, please. All of them. Oh, that's not gentle. And stir them up.
You stir it.
Now you do. You're the cook today. That's okay. Ever so gentle, tip it. Well done. That's the way. Left hand on the handle, right hand stirring. You can do it.
I can't.
Can? How are you going there, buddy?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What? What happened to your shoulder?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just
No
tired.
muscle. No energy.
Just tired.
You're tired. Oh, look at you. You can't give up. Come on. Keep going. Oh, look at our chef. Giving up on the floor. Up you get. Up you get. You're not done. Come on. Oh, Baba, come on. You can do it. Does it taste like?
Good.
Good. Do you enjoy your own cooking? Mm-hmm. What is your advice for the kids that would like to cook for their mom and dad?
If you want to cook for your mom and dad, just do it.
Just do it?
Yeah.
That's all your tips for the kids?
Mhm.
Or were you scared when you started cooking? No?
No, but I did. But some oil did get on me.
Hmm. Was it painful?
No.
Were you scared a little bit?
No.
You're such a brave boy, aren't you?
Mhm.
Alright, it's time for you to enjoy your food and say goodbye to all the YouTubers friends you have.
Bye.
Bye. And what do you say? How do you say thank you in Bahasa Melayu?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Subscribe to Tanaki channel. And sekarang upload to apa kata? And sekarang upload ano ka po?